Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we'll learn what is React. React is a free and open source front-end library. React is JavaScript based library and you can build your interface based on UI component into the React. React basically developed by the Facebook for own use, but later React is public and made it public by the Facebook and now maintained by the Meta and React community. React.js is a very flexible and we can create reusable UI component into the React application. React have a well documentation as well, and today I show you how to create React application. First of all, I hope you heard about the node and npm. If not, let me show you bit. Just search into the Google. You need to install node in your PC. Here is the LTS and current version given by the node. You can download it and install it. Then you can create the React application using the npm. So you need npm for the create the React application. So let me go to the official documentation of the React. This is the official website and well documented here. So let's start, and everything is given here, so you can refer this document as well. So I going to create new applications. Command given npx create react app, and you need to specify here your application name. So let me fire this command and stop the server and specify lpt react demo. Now React application is creating with the basic structure of the applications. So let's wait. So basic application of the React is created and some commands given here. You can start the development server using npm start. If you want to build the your application, you should run npm run build command. If you want to start the test, if you write unit test and you want to test it, you can fire npm test command and npm run eject. You can remove the tool and build dependency, everything, configure files. And so let's go to the directory lpt react demo and npm start. And you can see here the application started on localhost colon 3000. So application is running here and you can see here. Let me open the application inside the editor so you can get properly. Here is a node module, all the node dependency installed and used from these node modules directory. This is the main directory src, and this is the public directory. All the assets are here, and main applications file index.html application run from here. So index.html also located here, and application loaded inside this div. So when application is bind with this html, it's get the id by the root and load here. let me show you into the app.js and index.js. You can see here app load with the strict mode by document.get element by id root. So this file bind the React application with the index.html, which is located inside the public directory, and React DOM render this thing. And this is the main gate of the application app directory, and you need to write your code into the app component, and you can create routing and create separate components as well for your requirement. So this is the basic structure of the React. You can see here app.css, which is include directly into the component, so you can write separate css for separate component. So it's very neat and clean code, and you can easily change it and access it. Also here is a basic setup test here, and one jest DOM library imported here, and this is the gitignore file. So you specify your file which you exclude for the push on the repository, for example GitHub repository, GitLab repository, Bitbucket. So you can add your file here, some basic files added here. For example, we never commit any environment files, log files, so it's already given here. We never push node module onto the repository because this node module created by the npm install. And here is the package.json, which this file manages all the packages which are used in our React application. All basic packages included inside the dependency. You can see here React DOM, React script. So all basics packages are already installed, but other package you need to install while developing time. And here is the package log.json file. All the packages which are included into the package.json are logged in this package. So whenever you fire the npm install command, it's installed from this package.json. It check the hash and install logged version in your application, and when you fire npm update, the package.json file is updated with package.log.json is also updated. So this is the structure of the file of React. So you can start developing. React is very flexible, and it's only for the front end. It's not handle any backend logic and database thing. You can use with any backend. For example, you can use with Node, you can use with Laravel and other backend technologies. We have one tutorial how to set up React in Laravel. I will add the tutorials link into the description, so you can watch it. If you want to set up React into the Laravel backend, you can do it easily and run with the Laravel applications. So it's very fantastic library and very popular. You can use it. We will learn how to create shared library into the React into the next tutorial. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.